Let's cook. Let's make tuna fritters with a surprise ingredient. Pancake mix instead of flour. They'll be light and fluffy without needing an egg. We have some green onion that we had left growing in a cup of water. It adds color and flavor. Let's chop that up. We'll cut up some small grape tomatoes. Grape tomatoes are naturally portion controlled, never any waste, and they keep well. I would love it if you'd like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's open a can of tuna. This is a small can for one person. Use a larger can for more. Tuna in oil has a bit more flavor than tuna in water. Drain off most of the oil and place the tuna into a bowl. Break that up thoroughly. Use tuna packed in water to save calories, but keep a bit of the water too. Mix in about a tablespoon of freeze-dried onion. Mix in the chopped green onion. Add the chopped tomato. Now, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, and a shake of garlic powder. Mix well. It's starting to smell good. Instead of an egg and flour, we'll use a complete pancake mix that only needs water. Pour 1 cup of the pancake mix to make about 6 fritters. We want it as a thick batter, so half a cup of water. Mix well with the tuna and onion and tomatoes. It should be much thicker than plain pancake batter. Heat the oil in a frying pan. Spoon in the tuna mixture to make fritter-sized chunks. Fry on one side. Careful not to allow them to burn. Flip over and fry the other side. Wonderful and crispy. Serve with salsa or even just ketchup.